My session is called the Actionable Futures, and it is about making futures that matter. So combining design and foresight into a framework, kind of like a toolkit to actually enable people to look beyond just like what's next. We will borrow techniques from game design, from science fiction to actually figure out what is the world we want like. It helps people to have empathy for the future. Imagination is a really powerful tool for empathy. If we set out the year, let's say 2025, what is the world like? Who makes decisions? Who are the other stakeholders? What's their motivations? When we start figuring out who are the change makers, what are the macro trends that affect our lives? After that, we start mapping out what are the possible anti-futures, what are the risks we see in the horizon. The future's gonna be messy. It's going to be complicated. This sort of like forces people to talk very honestly about their fears about the future. This all sort of like leads us into building very tangible ideas about the future. Our purpose is to make the futures, the ideas we want about futures, actionable. So we can actually progressively start working towards them through prototyping, through testing, whatever's needed really. Enables companies, people, think beyond the current problems they have. Usually when you work in a big corporation, for example, you get people with back-to-back meetings. There's always the next fire around the corner that they have to put out. And we have to kind of look past just beyond immediate profit, immediate growth, and figure out ways to how to actually make the growth sustainable, how to make our future sustainable. When we talk about sort of futures we want, futures they want, it's not you or me, but it's all of us. So what's good for humanity? And that, I think, is very, very important for tech industry. So because we need more diversity, we need more inclusivity, we need to look beyond just like Northern America, just Europe. We need to make the futures that are more diverse and inclusive. I hope that they have just a little spark at the back of their heads that makes them want to build positive futures, make them want to be optimistic about change, and build sort of the futures they want to happen.